Aktobe land has brought up a lot of great warriors and rulers. People's rumor still keeps legends about them to this day. Local people hold sacred the burial place of the brightest representative of younger Jews, Abil Khair Khan. On the grave of the great ruler was erected a memorial complex, Khan Malasi. It is located in the Aktobe district of the region. The courage of the warrior, the art of the ruler, and the talent of the diplomat harmony could be found in Abil Khair Khan. It was his wise policy that prevented the Kazakh people from perishing in the abyss of history during the Great Disaster. In the ancient steppes of Aktobe district, there is a unique architectural ensemble, the necropolis of Abat Baitak. It was known even in the times of the Golden Horde and keeps a lot of legends and tall stories about itself. According to one of them, the son of the famous Kazakh philosopher Isan Kagi, Batyr Abat, defender of native lands from the raids of enemies, is buried here. According to another legend, after the death of Abat Batyr, grieving people erected a mausoleum on the site of his death in just 3 days. It is for this reason that the word Baitak was added to the name Abat, which means nationwide. Fragile girl Batyr Aliyah Moldugalova is from the Aktobe region. She horrified the Wehrmacht soldiers with her exact sniper hits during the Second World War. She accepted death far from her native steppe. The Batyr girl heroically died on January 14, 1944, participating in the battle for the freedom of the village of Kazachiha. For courage and military valor shown on the battlefield, she was post-mortem awarded the title of the Hero of the Soviet Union. The center of true pilgrimage is the burial place of another national hero, Eset Batyr. The great commander of the clan Tama became famous as an indefatigable fighter for the independence of the Kazakh people and made a significant contribution to the creation of a unified state. The Aktobe land contains many secrets which are yet to be solved by the descendants of the great Batyrs who once lived here. Everywhere here you can find numerous historical monuments, kulpitas. These creatures of nomadic stone carving and architecture were left to us by our ancestors, so that we do not forget about our roots. Exploring them, you can open new uncharted pages of the history of this ancient land. Welcome to Aktobe!